Let me ask you something. What if your next car wasn't just a vehicle to get you from point A to point B, but a game changer that transformed your entire lifestyle? Imagine owning a car that doesn't just move you, but elevates you, delivering luxury, comfort, and prestige, all while being a smart financial investment. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, fasten your seatbelt, because today we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai Staria, a masterpiece of innovation, elegant design, and affordability that might just redefine what you expect from a car. Stick around, because this could be the moment you find your next ride. Here's the deal. You're looking for a car that does more than just get you to work. You're not looking for the typical ride. You're searching for something that makes a statement. Enter the 2025 Hyundai Staria, a vehicle that redefines what a luxury car can be at this price point. It's not just another minivan, it's a multi-purpose powerhouse wrapped in futuristic design. I know what you're thinking. It's a minivan. How is that exciting? But trust me, this isn't your average family transporter. The Staria comes with a sleek, spaceship-inspired design that'll make heads turn. Imagine pulling into the valet at a luxury resort, and this car steals the spotlight. That's the kind of presence this vehicle commands. But it's not all about looks. It's about performance, practicality, and yes, making a smart investment. Now let's talk about the heart of the Staria, the performance. You've got an engine that's powerful, yet surprisingly efficient. The 2.2-liter diesel engine is designed for the modern-day driver who craves power without compromising fuel economy. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding back roads, the Staria handles it all with grace and precision. But here's the kicker. It's priced in a way that makes it accessible, giving you the luxury experience without breaking the bank. In a market where most luxury SUVs or minivans push the six-figure mark, Hyundai gives you all the high-end feels at a fraction of the cost. And let's not forget, this car is a minivan, not a sports car. But don't be fooled. Its performance might make you think you're driving a luxury sedan with the kind of pep that'll leave you grinning like a kid on Christmas morning. So, we've established that it's a luxury car in disguise. But how does it actually feel to drive this machine? Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why the Staria is in a class of its own. The interior is a masterpiece of design, where technology meets comfort in perfect harmony. From the premium upholstery to the ambient lighting, everything is crafted to make you feel like royalty. And with the spacious cabin, you won't just drive, it's an experience. Want to have your friends feel like they're on a private jet? The Staria's captain's chairs, along with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, ensure that every drive feels like an exclusive experience. Plus, its generous cargo space means you can carry all your gear without sacrificing comfort. And for those of you who plan on taking road trips or family vacations, this car is your ultimate companion, practical yet chic. But here's the real game changer. This vehicle isn't just built for comfort, it's built to protect your future. Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal how the Staria is designed to save you big time down the road. Let's talk numbers, because at the end of the day, every smart buyer wants to know what's the return on investment. The Hyundai Staria is not just a luxury vehicle that feels good today. It's a car designed with long-term savings in mind. From its impressive fuel economy to its durable build, this car is designed to be a long-lasting asset in your fleet. And let's not forget the resale value. With Hyundai's reputation for reliability, your Staria will hold its value better than most in its class. You're not just buying a car, you're buying peace of mind, knowing that 5 years from now, this vehicle will still be worth a solid chunk of change. And before you think this is just another pitch for a family car, let me tell you why this could be the vehicle that secures your next chapter of financial freedom. The 2025 Hyundai Staria isn't just a car, it's an investment in your future. A car that delivers luxury, performance, and practicality without the crippling costs. It's the kind of smart decision that moves you closer to your goals of wealth, success, and living life on your terms. But don't just take my word for it. Go out and test drive it. Feel the power, the luxury, and the potential for yourself. And if you're hungry for more ways to make wise, financially savvy decisions when it comes to cars, be sure to check out my next video on the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor, another game changer that'll keep you ahead of the curve. The link is on your screen now, and you won't want to miss it.